Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that a lot of people are curious about. Can car batteries be recycled? If you find this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. The short answer is yes, car batteries can be recycled. In fact, they're among the most recyclable consumer products out there, with over 95% of their components being reusable. Recycling car batteries is not just eco-friendly, it's also a matter of public safety. Car batteries contain harmful chemicals like sulfuric acid and lead, which can contaminate the environment if improperly disposed of. The plastic casing, the lead plates, and even the sulfuric acid can be recycled. The plastic is often repurposed for new battery cases, and the lead is melted down for use in new batteries. If you have an old car battery, take it to a recycling facility or an auto parts store that offers recycling services. Never throw it in the trash or leave it in an open environment. So the next time you need to replace your car battery, remember, recycling is the way to go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more useful tips.